Hi everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. And on this side, the author of Learn English from Basics to Business. Well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe to my channel. The topic of my today's video is clear from the title too. It's all about how can you improve your English conversation. First thing first, I'm not going to trim this video. I just want you all to get the true and the real knowledge that how can you improve your English communication. First thing that matters for all of us is, if you are pretty much serious to improve your English, the most crucial thing is you really need to manage some time for it. If you're thinking that after watching this video, you'll become a fluent English speaker, that's not going to happen, my love. This is not going to happen. You really need to manage some time for it. One thing that I want to suggest to you is, if you are willing to improve your English, just try to develop these habits I'm going to discuss with you, because I have improved my English by adopting all of these habits I'm going to share with you in this video. So you guys ready? Let's get into it. The first one is the habit of listening. Most often, students say that we are interested to speak English, so why are you suggesting us to spend more time onto listening? Because, my love, I have spent 1.5 years to listen to this language and then I adopt this accent. The shortcut to it is, if you want to implement this practice, this technique of listening to improve your English speaking, you can do one thing. Daily basis, you need to spend 10 to 15 minutes every single day. If spending an hour to listen to any podcast is difficult for you, what can you do is just try to spend 5 to 10 minutes, but watch real conversations. I'm not suggesting you to watch any kind of vocabulary stuff, nothing like that. Watch 10 minutes of the English podcast. Every time I suggest 2 podcasts to a student. The first one is the Jay Shetty podcast and the second one is Mel Robbins. These 2 are incredible for English speakers, for English learners, I meant to say. What can you do is you can watch their podcast, because they include a real British English conversation. And not only the British, it consists of the American accent too. Sometimes it's Scottish accent, sometimes the Australian accent, the multiple accents. There is a diversity in the podcast. The main thing I want to say is just try to spend 10 minutes to the real conversation listening. You'll observe that this listening conversation will help you a lot. After spending 5 to 10 minutes every single day, after 14 days of consistently listening to the same podcast, you'll observe that you'll start catching the same words, the same accent. Initially, it will become difficult for you to improve your English through listening, but this is a crucial technique that actually works in a better way. Now, the main question here mostly students ask is subtitles. Subtitle is a friend or a foe. It's good or bad. What I suggest is subtitles are not good. If you're pretty much interested to improve your English, so subtitles are not good for you. Because when you watch anything with subtitles, so your focus is more on reading the subtitle and not on observing the body language, the facial expression, and you're not into the listening or watching, you're reading the subtitle. Subtitle help. I can get this thing. So you can turn on subtitles for some videos, but not all the time, because subtitles are truly a foe for you. Because our main thing is we need to absorb the accent. We need to understand the accent that we can adopt. So you need to put a little bit of the extra effort in this. So try to watch the videos without subtitles. Subtitles are not good for your English conversation. Third thing, try to speak. Mostly we say that, oh, we don't have any speaking partner, what can we do? We have no one to speak with. You have yourself. You can speak, you can talk to, you can practice with yourself. So what can you do is you can practice with yourself. You can stand in front of mirror, whatever video you have watched, you can stand in front of mirror and start talking to yourself, start explaining. Rather than mirror practice, I would like to suggest you the video recording. Dress up in a formal way and record 1-minute video. Do these techniques for 14 days and get back to this video. I bet you will observe the visible difference in your speaking. Like, it doesn't matter your basic level speaker, your advanced level speaker. These techniques will definitely help you. First of all, 5 to 10 minutes of listening, and try to add up 5 minutes every single day to your listening habit. Secondly, watch without subtitle. And thirdly, try to stand in front of mirror, and rather than mirror practice, what I would like to suggest to you is the video recording. You can stand and just dress up in a formal way and video record yourself and explain what you have watched in that video, encapsulate that video, and that you can say the video that you record for yourself. So you see that it concludes all of the techniques. You're speaking, you're listening, and your overall communication regarding English will be improved. If you want to buy my English speaking book, you can get my book from Books Wella website. The link of my book is in the description below. You can order my book now. It's pretty much affordable and worth it. Second, if you want to interact me, you can follow me on my Instagram handle in the description below. Show your love and support as it matters for me a lot. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.